What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Monday. We are fresh off of St. Patrick's Day weekend. I hope you and yours had a safe and happy amateur drinking holiday weekend. I feel like every time I come on here a new video, I'm kind of saying the same thing, and that is that I'm apologizing for not putting up as much content as I usually do and as my subscribers are accustomed to. Like I said, moving definitely, screwed things up a little bit with me getting my content up and, just getting the videos done and working on sneaker things, clothing. I can't wink. He always makes fun of me. I try like sneaker things, clothing. Another thing that has kind of taken control of my life a little bit is I did start a new job, and it's been just really hard. Trying to. I'm the boss, so and that's not to brag, but I am, and it's just I'm trying to get acclimated and my feet wet with this new career, and at the same time balance out my vlogging schedule. That being said, I am going to start uploading more frequently and, getting back to the old schedule. But it's not going to always be sneaker unboxes and stuff. There's going to be a lot more Nyasia on the channel. And there's going to be a lot more just daily type life, daily, vlogs. Don't get it twisted for a second. This is still going to be a sneaker channel. This channel is going to be heavily influenced by sneakers, streetwear, and everything that goes along with that culture. It just won't always be unboxings. With that being said, we do have a new unboxing today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, review, and on feed of a brand new pair of Nikes that I just picked up at Finish Line today. Before we get into this unboxing, you guys know the drill. Smash that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Hit that thumb up if you're feeling this video. And follow your boy on all social. Like I said, guys, we got a brand new pickup from Finish Line. I've been clamoring to buy a new pair of sneakers. And I ran over to the mall today just to peruse, and I had a Finish Line. When you shop at Finish Line and Foot Action and Champs at places like that, as often as people like me do, you get a lot of rewards member points and a lot of redeemable coupons that pile up. Well, I have 50, no lie, 50 $20 off coupons for Finish Line, and a bunch were getting ready to expire. So as I was perusing the mall, I was like, I kind of just got to focus on Finish Line because you spend this money to earn these points and to earn these rewards and to earn these redemptions, and you don't want them to go to waste because the one thing that I always keep in the back of my mind, and the only real reason I prefer to do business with chain stores like that over sneaker boutiques, if I had my way, I would shop at Ubik and Lapstone Hammer all the time because they get surprise drops, they get surprise restocks, and I feel the customer service in a place like that is a lot more friendly and a lot more customer oriented. But with the chain places, they often have these rewards programs and they, give back to you for spending that money. So when I'm spending money at Finish Line, I almost look at it as an investment for multiple reasons. One, I'm increasing the value of my sneaker collection, and two, I'm earning these points later be able to redeem for $20 off, $50 off. Foot Action and Champs and all sends you, everybody under that umbrella, Foot Action, Foot Locker, Champs, sends you birthday redeemable coupons you can use online or in store. Enough all that. Let's get a glimpse of all these Warlocks. We got that Nike Air Max 270 in that Hyper Grape colorway. This is such a dope colorway and a perfect colorway if you're a Lakers fan. I'm just throwing that out there because of the color scheme, although the Black Mamba is definitely my top 3 favorite players of all time. This was the only colorway that dropped that I felt as of now I needed in my collection. The Tiger Shark ones dropped, but they weren't available in store Finish Line. I know Nike.com still has quite a few sizes sitting. So if you're a fan of the Air Max 270, a fan of that Tiger Shark colorway, head over to Nike.com right now and purchase them. I more so wanted to get these because of this back air unit. I know a lot of people aren't feeling the silhouette. I know a lot of people think that this is a clearance, Kohl's sales rack type of sneaker. And I don't know, I feel like it's a dope concept, and I feel like this back air unit, the cushioning on this is going to be, very, very good. It's just going to be like walking on clouds. But I'm interested to see how this feels opposed to the Vapormax. As many of you guys know, if you've been, a subscriber and viewer of this channel, the Vapormax is my favorite sneaker currently on the market. So I do want to see how this holds up. I mean, it's not a full air unit. So, that's the only thing that's really, giving me, pause for caution, is that I just want to see, how this feels opposed to the full air that you get with a Vapormax. I have Air Max, I have every silhouette of Air Max, at least in one colorway. And, even though they're not all full-length air, the Vapormax is, and that's pretty much what I've been rocking on a daily basis. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try rocking these for at least a month straight, though, and do a performance review a month from now. But with Air Max Day coming, I felt like it was only right that I threw the newest model of Air Max into my arsenal. And that Dusty Cactus colorway is getting ready to drop. I believe it's the 22nd. That's a dope colorway. I love when Nike does that white, black, and mentholish, Newport green on sneakers. I think that colorway is just hella dope. But that's it, guys. I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Monday. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Richie Ruckus Beats.
Holla.
Richie Ruckus Beats.